Not really announcing the riders. Oh, this might be a buck. I can't tell. Just see the colors. Oh, I don't know. That might be Andrea.
Oh no, that is Andrea. Yeah.
I see the red, but I see some yellow there too. So this may be Chesterland's image. Just try to get the number for me.
It's gone back. It's slowly getting smaller. It's got like this.
Are you able to ride it?
Yeah. There's like plaque. It's just all gungy inflammation that's got to be absorbed. It's hanging down the bottom of the street, so it can't go anywhere.
155.
155.
Henry plays the rocking horse again. So they'll do that over the
58 just starting on course, Joe Meyer and Quickstep. Quickstep is a 9-year-old Rhinelander gelding owned by Melinda Robinson.
little events that I can do as possible.
Most recent competitor to start on course at 17 and 18 is Andrea Leatherman Chesterland's Image, a 6-year-old thoroughbred mare.
He needs to do a lot of those bounces in order to get the front end more.
Andrea Leatherman and Chesterland's Image coming home to the last. Behind them, John Holling and Compass.